നമ്മുടെ കമ്മിങ് ഇയറിലോട്ടുള്ള ഇലക്ഷനാണ്. അതിൻ്റെ നെക്സ്റ്റ് ഇയറിലോട്ടുള്ള ഭാരവാഹികളെ തിരഞ്ഞെടുക്കലാണ് അടുത്ത ഇവൻറ്റ്. ഐ ലൈക്ക് ടു വെൽക്കം അയ്യർ അങ്കിൾ ഓൺ ദ സ്റ്റേജ് പ്ലീസ്. അയ്യർ അങ്കിൾ, can you please come on to the stage? He's busy talking. Ayyar uncle, can I have you please on the stage? ഇത് കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ ഉടനെ നമ്മൾ വടംവലിക്ക് വേണ്ടിയിട്ട് പുറത്തേക്ക് പോകുന്നതായിരിക്കും. വടംവലി കണ്ടിട്ട് വാശിയേറിയ മത്സരമാണ്, നിങ്ങൾ എല്ലാവരും പ്രോത്സാഹിപ്പിക്കണം. അത് കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് നമുക്ക് തിരിച്ച് പവലിയനിലോട്ട് വന്നിട്ട് ഗാനമേള കേൾക്കാം. ഓക്കെ, so I'm handing over the mic to Ayyar uncle for the election of next year's officials.
As the election officer, I have the nomination for the next year, Board of Directors 2021 to 22. Here are the office bearers. Varghese Papachan, President. Can you come here please? Sheila Kaidamattam, Vice President. Anil Varghese is the Secretary, but he is not here due to some important reasons. Sorry. Next is Shiny Abraham, Secretary. Joint Secretary, sorry. The treasurer is Roshan George again.
Kajal Maxalino.
Arts Club Secretary Kajal Maxalino. Now I will ask Varghese Papachan to say a few words. Thank you.
Thank you, Ayyar uncle. My name is Varghese Papachan. You can also call me Shaji. I've been associated with Kerala Association of New England for the past 23 years, I would say. I came here in 1998. I still remember going for the first Christmas and New Year program that year, along with my uncle and my aunt. And ever since, I've been part of Kane, and I should say Kane has been part of myself, over these years, and I'm very fortunate and thankful for the opportunity that I have received during the past 2 decades. I was able to serve as an executive committee member 5 times, and once I had the privilege of serving as the vice president. This year, I believe we all have to take the turn and carry the torch forward. So it's my turn to be the president, and I have to say that even though there are presidents and executive committees and then boards and all, we have a core group of people that carries this organization from time to time every year. So many of the other speakers have spoke to us before and talked about how much effort goes behind preparing the sadhya, including cutting the vegetables, all the planning, the serving, moving food in the truck from one place to other place, and make sure that the food doesn't get bad. There's a lot of planning and organizing and execution behind these type of efforts, and it's a teamwork. Everybody has admitted that before. Ayyar uncle and Prasad and the rest of the crew, they work diligently and very hard. And our current president, Jolson Varghese, I don't know, we have to really thank him for all the efforts that he has taken for celebrating the Golden Jubilee celebration this year. We have a beautiful souvenir. We will get to see it very soon. A lot of planning went behind that. One of the other changes is that we are going through unprecedented time now. We all know that. With pandemic, happening, we have been having a lot of challenges. Ours is an organization where we always had in-person events and interactions. So with pandemic, that has all changed. So techies like Jolson and Roshan and Anup and so many other people behind the scene transformed us from in-person events to online virtual events. So we haven't missed any of the programs during the past couple of years. Every single one of them we did it virtually, and it was a success. And all these people who are lined along with me, this whole team, worked diligently behind the scenes and on the scene to make those programs a success. So all what I can say is we are ready to serve you. We are excited about the opportunity and look forward to serving you as the president, as the board. We know that it's a huge undertaking, but we need all of your support going forward, and looking forward to delivering more successful programs in the future. Thank you so much. And we also want to make an announcement. We have a Kane Junior team here. The president is Ritika Thomas, and Maria Mecheri is the vice president. Hannah Matthew is the secretary. Ryan Mecheri is the treasurer. And Noel Benny is the joint secretary. So we all are excited to have you on Kane Junior and looking forward to working with all of you. Congratulations to all of you. Once again, thank you everybody. Happy Onam. Enjoy the rest of the program. Thank you.